Master of Arts in Philosophy MAPI is one of the most popular postgraduate programs offered by IGNOU for students who wish to explore the deeper meaning of life, truth and knowledge. The course includes subjects like ethics, logic, Indian philosophy, Greek philosophy and philosophy of resistance. If you are enrolled in IGNOU MAPI course and facing challenges in preparing your project synopsis for MPYP-1, then this is the best. Students often get confused about choosing the right topic, preparing synopsis format, or following IGNOU guidelines. The team at SelfGAN provides complete support and synopsis easy and error-free. We help you write your project with accurate content, proper structure, and correct reference style that ensures success rate. Our expert mentors understand IGNOU's markets. SelfGAN on 9/6 project prepared at an affordable price. TE session synopsis submission is from August to October. For June, TE session synopsis submission is from February to April, and the final project submission is in April and May. Do not wait until the last moment. Submit your synopsis now and get professional help from SelfGAN to make your MAPI project perfect on time and full.